Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to schedule eye protection on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, go to display and brightness. Here in display and brightness, okay, you can see the eye protection. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in eye protection, you can see the schedule turn on. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, automatically turn on or off eye protection according to the schedule start and end time. Okay, so you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And after that, okay, you can see the start time and the end time. Now you can set the start time by tap the time on the right side. And the pop-up show, okay, for my example, I set into 6. And after that, okay, tap the OK button. And also end time, okay, tap the clock or time on the right side. And the pop-up show, okay, for my example, I set into 2. And after that, okay, tap the OK button. And that's it, okay, we have successfully scheduled the eye protection on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.